Today, we shall learn how to do addition using an activity. For this, we need some paper cups. Instead of paper cups, we can also use water glass or small bowls. We also require some grains. Here, we have taken kabuli chana. We can use marbles, leaves, etc. to do this activity. To apply colors to the grain, we can use watercolors or paint. After applying paint of different colors, we have to allow the grains to dry. We prepare 5 groups of different colored grains to represent digits of 5-digit number. We also require sketch pens or markers. We use cups to represent units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s places. The cups are marked with colors matching the color of the grains. At the top, we show the representation used in the place value chart. This cup marked in black color represents the units place. We use black colored grains to represent the digits in the units place. Similarly, to represent tens, we use green colored grains. To represent hundreds, we use blue colored grains. To represent thousands, we use pink colored grains. To represent 10,000s, we use yellow colored grains. Let us now see an example of addition. The numbers to be added are 52,645 and 27,452. Let us put the addition symbol here. In the units place of the first addend, that is 52,645, we have 5. So, we have to put 5 black colored grains in the cup representing the units place. Let us take 5 black grains and put them in the cup representing the units place. In the tens place, we have 4. So, we have to take 4 green colored grains and put them in the tens place. In the hundreds place, we have 6. So, we take 6 blue colored grains and put them in the hundreds place. Let us take 6 blue colored grains and put them in the cup representing the hundreds place. In the thousands place, we have 2. So, we take 2 pink colored grains and put them in the thousands place. In the 10,000s place, we have 5. So, we take 5 yellow colored grains and put them in the 10,000s place. Now we have represented the first addend by putting the colored grains in the cups. We have to add the grains representing the second addend to these cups. In the units place of the second addend, we have number 2. So, we must put 2 grains in the cup in the units place. We take 2 black colored grains and put them in the cup representing the units place. In the tens place, we have 5. We have to add 5 green colored grains to the cup in the tens place. We take 5 green colored grains and put them in the cup representing the tens place. In the hundreds place, we have 4. We have to add 4 blue colored grains to the cup in the hundreds place. We take 4 blue colored grains and put them in the cup representing the hundreds place. In the thousands place, we have number 7. We have to add 7 pink colored grains to the cup in the thousands place. Let's take 7 pink colored grains and put them in the cup representing the thousands place. In the 10,000s place, we have 2. We have to add 2 yellow colored grains to the cup in the 10,000s place. We have to take 2 yellow colored grains and put them in the cup representing the 10,000s place. Now we have to find the answer. By using the number of grains in each of these cups, we can find the sum of the two numbers shown here. Let us count the number of grains in the cup at the units place. We can see that there are 7 black colored grains. So, the digit in the units place of the sum is 7. We write 7 in the units place. To know the sum of 4 and 5 in the tens place, we must see the number of grains in the cup representing the tens place. We can see that there are 9 green colored grains. So, the digit in the tens place of the sum is 9 and write 9 in the tens place of the sum. Let us see the number of grains in the cup at the hundreds place. The number of grains will be 6 plus 4, which is 10 grains. But in any place of a number, we can write only one digit. Here, the 10 blue colored grains represent 10 hundreds. We can make 10 hundreds into one group. This one group of 10 hundreds can be written as 1000. So, we shall put these 10 blue colored grains back and take one pink colored grain to represent 1000. We shall put this one pink colored grain in the thousands place. Now, in the cup representing the hundreds place, we have no grains. That is, the value is 0 hundreds. We write 0 in the hundreds place of the sum. Since we have put one pink colored grain in the thousands place, we write 1 in the thousands place as carryover. Let us see the number of grains in the cup at the thousands place. The number of grains is 10. If the number of grains is more than 10, we make groups of 10 and the remaining grains can be put back in the cup. Since we have exactly 10 pink colored grains, we put 0 in the thousands place and make these 10 thousands into 1 10,000. We carry this 1 10,000 forward to the 10,000s place. Now let us convert these 10 pink colored grains. There will be no grains left in the cup. Let us place one yellow colored grain in the cup representing the 10,000s place. In the thousands place, we have 0 grains, so we write 0 in the thousands place of the sum. We write 1 in the 10,000s place as a carryover. Let us see the number of grains in the cup at the 10,000s place. The number of yellow colored grains is 8. We write 8 in the 10,000s place of the sum. Now we have the sum of the two numbers as 80,097. In the same manner, we can take different examples for addition and find the sum using grains, pebbles, sticks, tamarind seeds, etc. by doing the same activity. Thank you.